Looking for an adventure bike that can tackle anything from city streets to mountain trails? The 2026 Yamaha TW200 might just be your perfect companion. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving into what makes this dual sport legend tick. Design. The TW200's signature look remains unmistakable. Those fat, balloon-like tires aren't just for show, they're the bike's calling card. Yamaha keeps the minimalist design philosophy alive with a compact frame, comfortable upright seating position, and that iconic utilitarian aesthetic. It's simple, functional, and built to last. The low seat height makes it incredibly approachable for riders of all skill levels. Performance. Under the seat sits a reliable 196cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine. Don't expect blistering speed. This bike tops out around 65 miles per hour. But here's the thing. The TW200 excels at low-speed control and torque. Whether you're crawling over rocks or navigating tight trails, the power delivery is smooth and predictable. Fuel efficiency is excellent, making it perfect for extended adventures without constant fuel stops. Features and technology. Yamaha keeps things straightforward with the TW200. You get electric start for easy firing up, a 5-speed transmission, and dependable drum brakes. The suspension handles rough terrain surprisingly well, while the wide tires provide exceptional traction on sand, mud, and loose surfaces. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and incredibly versatile. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 proves that sometimes simple is better. It's an honest, capable machine that delivers adventure without complexity. What do you think of the TW200? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle content. Ride safe out there.